Welcome to Theater Crafts, where we take theater memorabilia and we make brand new treasures. So are you as excited about the Wicked movie as I am? As you know, it opens this week, and I thought it would be really cool to do a quick Wicked craft. So I took a program. I went to see Wicked on Broadway last year, and so I took a program, and I have created these ornaments. So I don't know if you can see, they are program covers from the Wicked ornament. I've added glitter and such in there. It's a quick and easy craft to celebrate the opening of the movie Wicked. So let's get crafting. Okay, so I have a quick craft for you today to celebrate the opening of Wicked, the movie. I thought it would be kind of fun to do a quick craft for you. So basically what I've done here is we've got an ornament, and I don't know if you can tell, the inside is actually a playbill cover. Truth be told, it's a playbill cover. I actually put two together so that we didn't see like the inside, like just text and stuff on the inside. So I actually glued two together. So if you look, you can see the elements of the playbill. I've got ribbon and some jewels right here. I've got different colors of ribbon to go with Glinda and Elphaba. We need to have some glitter, of course, and I've got some sparkle stars. I used in this one here, I used green glitter, and I'm going to try something different because the green glitter was very fine and it's kind of sticking to everything. So I'm going to try the stars in this one that we're going to do together. So, and then also you need the ornaments. So the ornaments are, I got them in a package here. There were several of them together, and basically they are, these two are stuck together. They are two halves, and you put them together so you can fill them with whatever it is that you would like to decorate with. Could be anything, but in this case, we're going to use some Wicked playbills. All right, so let me clear the space a little bit and we'll get started. Okay, so as I said, I took a playbill cover and I took another one. I had, sometimes you can find pages inside a playbill with, the characters, and that's what I did. I actually ripped them both out and I glued them together. And it actually only took half of what I glued to create the first ornament, because the ornament, they're rather small. So I was surprised that it only took about half. So that's the first thing that I did. And then the second thing I did was I just cut them into strips. You can see part of the playbill here that you can see has different parts. I was trying to make it so that I saw an equal amount of Glinda and Elphaba colors on the exterior. So I'm going to take the ornament, I'm going to open it up, and what I decided to do is kind of curl the paper a little bit. So if you've ever used curling ribbon, this is kind of the same idea. So you want to take the blade of the scissors. Now these are not incredibly sharp scissors. And you're going to hold onto the paper tightly, but you don't want to rip it. So you want to gently kind of glide it across the blade, and it's going to curl the paper. And, if you've ever done curling ribbon for gifts, it's the same exact procedure. And I tried, putting that in the ornament without curling, or just kind of turning it around or gluing it, and it didn't seem to hold the curl as much. So you see there. And so you're going to go down all of them. And now, mind you, the paper is a little bit stronger because it is not only the playbill cover, but it's two pieces. You can see two pieces that are glued together. So it does have some strength to it. There we go. I'm very excited about the Wicked movie. I don't know about you, but I think it's going to be great. And I'm so excited to see what they've done with it and what they've kept from the stage version and what they've kind of reinvented for the movie. And so I will be heading to the theater to see it. And I love that it's just kind of been reinvigorated. You know, it's been on Broadway for so long, and I love that they've taken it and they've decided to make it available for the masses. You know, some people are critical of having movie versions of Broadway shows, and I actually think it's a good thing because there's so many people who, either because of geography or just finances, can't get to New York or to see, you know, the big touring company productions. And so I think that it's opening it up to more people to be able to see it. And there's been a lot of hype about this particular movie. And so I'm really excited about it. All right. So I've curled all of the pieces of paper. I'm going to take the pink. I think the pink is so pretty. It's so Galinda. There we go. And then, like I said, I used green in the other one. I didn't like the way the green kind of, because it's very fine. If I had a thicker one, I think that would be good. And I'm going to try adding some of the star sparkles here. That would be kind of fun too. We'll see how it looks. It's hard to know what it's going to look like. All right, so what I did is I took these and I did one that was kind of sideways, and then I did one that was this way. They did kind of twirl around on each other. And then here, and then, and I actually love when they kind of look a little curly Q there. That's kind of cool looking. And then I'm going to add another kind of inside. We'll see how this plays out. All right, so now the trick is getting them together without getting the glitter all over the place. All right. And these they're kind of persnickety. So if you're going to want to get them in there the first time. All right. Ooh, that's kind of cool. Ooh, I like the pink. And I like that. I like it better than the green. So you see the green kind of sticks to the side, but I like the pink there. Okay, so now I've got the ribbon here, and we're gonna add the ribbon next. All right, so what I did is I took equal lengths of the ribbon, and this just happened to be ribbon I had in my stash. It could be whatever you have or you want to use, totally up to you. And kind of like, I don't think the other ribbon is thick enough, or, you know, like the bow is big enough. So I'm going to add to the bow here. And then I'll use these scissors to cut. All right, let's try adding green to tie. It's just to tie it so that we don't lose all of the bow there. Sorry, I'm not talking, I'm concentrating. tie that nice and tightly because I don't want that to come out. Okay, well, that's fun, having the different colors in there. Okay, so see, in the original one, I only had one but this one I doubled it. Kind of like the doubling it. And what I did is I kind of thread it through here. I kind of liked the fact that it was a little glitzy, because you know, Glinda's a little glitzy. The other thing I could do too, and this might be actually easier, is I have some, I'm a big fan of the jewels. I could actually add, I think that might be easier, honestly. If I add a jewel to the front of it with hot glue. I think I'll do that. So we'll just put a little hot glue here. And then add that. Oh, that makes it special. Okay, so I'm going to add, I'll do a pink ribbon on the top. So I'm going to put ribbon through the top here. And that's so you can hang it, and you could hang it anywhere. You could hang it in your locker, you could hang it, you know, on your doorknob. You could be as creative as you would like with this. And then I'm going to add that there, and I think I'm going to add another of the jewels to the back. I want this to stick really well. And like I said, I'm going to add a jewel to the back just to kind of finish it off a little bit. And I think that helps to give it a little bit of sparkle. I got a little glue on the ornament there. There we go. That's the beauty of these plastic ornaments. They are very forgiving. Okay, there we go. There's our salute to Wicked and the opening of Wicked. There we go. There are 2 ornaments to celebrate Elphaba and Galinda in Wicked. So I hope you go to see this show. I'm curious what you think. Please message me. Let me know if you like the movie. If you've seen the Broadway version and what you think about the comparison between the 2. So thank you for joining me for this week's Theater Craft, and I will see you next week. Have a great week, everyone. Bye.